Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this particular video, I'm going to take you through ALX Evaluation Quiz H4. As you can see, this is my score. I had some issue with the number 1 and number 6. There was a slight mistake on the two numbers. Okay, let's dive into the whole thing right away. So for number 1, which of the following sorting algorithm has best case time complex for n for O(n) log n? And the answer is supposed to be quick sort, not the bubble sort. The answer is supposed to be quick sort. Then number 1, we are at number 0. Number 1, is this a standardized way to comment a function in Python? And the answer is no. Then number 2, what does the following bash script do? We have the USR bin env bash, we had tech, then the last part we have the echo fear does not exist. So what will happen on the bash script? It checks if a text exists, otherwise print text does not exist. If it exists and it's a file, print Betty, otherwise if the directory prints school. As you can see, we have Betty, school, and the tech. Then number 3, what does this line prints? So we have the class base, my class, then we have self ID 89, u is equal to the user, then print u dot id, and as you can see the id is supposed to be 89, so it will print 89. What data structure is the foundation of the Python dictionary or the set? And the other supposed to be an easy one, the hash table. In a single linked list, what are the possible directions to traverse it? And the answer is supposed to be forward. Based on this code, what should all the test case be? We have return unique value over lists, list for item in the list, if items are not in a list. So what will happen? It will have an empty list with one element, list with two different elements, list with the same element twice, list with more than 2 times the same. Then we'll have a list with the multiple types, not a list arguments. So these are the possible answers for the question. Is this module correctly documented? We have my calculation module import. So it's yes, that is a yes. What is the UN standard? Symbolic constant for standard error. It's supposed to be standard error file number. What is the size of int data types on a 64-bit machine? It's a very common question on ALX, and that's supposed to be 4 bits. And also guys, as you continue to watch, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question, don't hesitate to write it down on the comment section. Number 10, what is the doc? This is the string documentation of an object based on docstring. Bubble sort is a simple comparison sorting algorithm. Then in this following code, what is password? As you can see, we have the password here, and the password is a private class attribute. Then we have given this code string xy structure point 3y. Okay, to set the member y of my variable my point to 89, I can do my point dot y is equal to 98, py 98, py is equal to 98. So those are the possible answers for number 13. What do this line print? So what will print? Will print no name. What do this line print? We have 98 here, so it will definitely print 98 because we are supposed to print the ID. What is reps? So these are instance method that return an official string representative of an instance. And lastly, what do this line print? And it will print 100. So those are the possible answers for each and every question from number 0 to number 17. Thank you for watching.